He talked during the classroom teaching, and this was disliked by her math teacher, and her math teacher's name was Mr. Kissing. So as a punishment, Mr. Kissing gave her an essay to write, and the title of the essay was A Chatterbox. Now Annie Frank was disturbed what to write it with, so she was thinking, and at last she submitted, and the teacher was satisfied. But again she started talking during the classroom teaching, and Mr. Kissing gave her, yes, हाँ यही प्रॉब्लम तो आ रहा है, यही प्रॉब्लम तो आ रहा है। ये इतना डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है ये जियो नेटवर्क हमको। कुछ आ रही है आवाज़? कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड? कैन यू हियर? अभी देखिए हम छत पर बैठे हुए हैं, छत के रूम पर, फिर भी नहीं पकड़ रहा है। डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया। ओके। एंड सेकेंड essay was given by Mr. Kissing, an incorrigible chatterbox. Incorrigible means that can't be corrected. It means who was chatterbox? Who was chatterbox?
Disconnect.
Yes, an incorrigible chatterbox. And for the two whole lessons she remained quiet, but she was compelled by her habit. Again she started talking, and we are also getting punishment by network. This time we are helpless. I think that at night time I shall prepare video and then I will send you, but I am trying my best to complete this lesson. Third essay was given by Mr. Kissing. Disconnected. Mistress Chatterbox. Okay. The class roared. The class burst into laughter, and Annie Frank was ashamed of her. So she had to laugh too. उसे भी हंसना पड़ा अपनी झेप मिटाने के लिए. Though I had nearly exhausted my ingenuity, exhausted means finished, ingenuity means originality. Now she had no any original idea with what she would complete her third essay, and third essay's name was Quack Quack Quack, said Mistress Chatterbox. Now she had no any original idea. She had nearly exhausted, finished her ingenuity, her originality on the topic of throughout I had to laugh too, though I had nearly exhausted, finished my ingenuity, my originality on the topic of chatterboxes. It was time to come up with something else. अब वो सोच रही है कुछ दूसरे तरीके से हमको आना चाहिए, because my math teacher is always making fun of me. हमेशा मेरा मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं. Now I have to do something else. दूसरे तरीके से हमको आना पड़ेगा. Something original. My friend Shani. What was the name of the friend? Shani. Annie's friend Shani, who is good at poetry, offered to help to write the essay from beginning to end in verse. Verse means poem. उसने कहा कि मैं तुमको पोएम में लिखने में मदद करूंगी, एंड दिस विल बी द न्यू वे टू कंप्लीट द एसे. ओके, इन दिस वे you could pour your original ideas in the verse in the poem. So she offered to help Annie Frank. Who offered to help? Shani, because she was very good at poetry. And I jumped for joy. मैं खुशी से उछल पड़ी. Mr. Kissing was trying to play joke on me with this ridiculous subject, with this humorous subject, but I would make sure the joke was on him. Now Annie Frank was determined to play the joke back on the teacher. अब हम वापस इस जोक को उस पर टीचर पे प्ले करेंगे, because all the time he had tried to make fun of me. I finished my poem and it was beautiful. It was about a mother duck and a father swan. Okay. Mother duck and father swan with 3 baby ducklings. This was the content of her third essay, who were beaten to death by the father. Who was the father? Father swan. He beat the 3 baby ducklings because the 3 baby ducklings quacked too much. It means Annie Frank was comparing the duckling with herself, and Annie Frank was comparing Mr. Kissing with the father swan. Understand? अपने आप को कंपेयर कर रही थी बेबी डकलिंग से, और स्वान फादर कंपेयर हो रहा था मिस्टर किसिंग से. एंड शी रोट इन हर एसे दैट द 3 बेबी डकलिंग्स वेर बिटेन टू डेथ. इतना काटा गया फादर स्वान के द्वारा दैट ऑल द 3 बेबी डकलिंग्स died because they were beaten to death. It means she was playing the joke back on the teacher, Mr. Kissing. Are you hearing me? Are you hearing me? Yes. Luckily, but Mr. Kissing was not angry this time. Luckily, Mr. Kissing took the joke the right way. ठीक अंदाज से लिया, in a positive way. He read the poem to the class because he liked the poem very much, and who offered in completing the essay in verse in poetry, who helped Shani, her friend, not true friend, because she had no any true friend. She had 30 friends but no any true friend. That's why she started to write the diary. Okay. Adding his own comments, अपना भी comment दिया, टीचर ने अपना भी comment दिया, and to several other classes as well, और दूसरे classes में पढ़ के सुनाया भी. It means Mr. Kissing liked the poem written by Annie Frank very much. Since then I have been allowed to talk. तब से मुझे allow कर दिया गया. Yes, you can talk. Because all the time she tried to prove the necessity of talking as a student. Her opinion was that if any student doesn't talk in the class, he or she has no right, no claim to be called as a student. So a student must talk. This she had proved, and she was allowed to talk and haven't been assigned any extra homework. अब कोई भी extra homework उसे नहीं दिया गया. On the contrary, you know, Mr. Kissing was an old foggy person, old fashioned person, orthodox person, रूढ़िवादी थे, पुराने विचारों के आदमी थे. He was very serious and he never made any joke during his classroom teaching. लेकिन हम लोग का अपना स्वभाव है, क्लासरूम टीचिंग भी करते हैं तो कभी कभी क्लास के वातावरण को इनलाइटेन करते हैं, हल्का बनाते हैं, थोड़ा ही देर के लिए सही जोक कुछ सुनाते हैं जो क्लास का वातावरण हल्का हो जाए. सो दिस इज व्हाट मिस्टर किसिंग डिड. ऑन द कंट्रारी, मिस्टर किसिंग इज ऑलवेज मेकिंग जोक्स दीज डेज ड्यूरिंग हिज क्लासरूम टीचिंग. सो विथ ग्रेट डिफिकल्टी वी कुड कंप्लीट दिस लेसन. बहुत डिफ़िकल्टी हुई है, मेरे नेटवर्क में पता नहीं क्या प्रॉब्लम है, छत पर मैं बैठा हुआ हूँ. तो हमको लगता है कि आपने ये होमवर्क तो लिखा होगा, कल मैंने सेंड किया था ग्रुप में. यू हैव टू राइट द आंसर्स ऑफ यूनिट 1, 2 and 3. क्या मिला था ना आप लोग को?